host for BCS International LLC. I'm here with the smallest one from BCS International that's part of our family. Her name is Say hi. She's going to be showing you around in BCS International to show you what's going on today.
So first that we start, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel BCS International and give us notifications to see the first one to watch our videos. And let's start with the video. So this one is Impala. It's a Casio.
Hello. What car are you showing?
This one, Impala.
Okay, nice. Show them. Show them the wheels.
The wheels.
Yeah, show them everything.
This one is not open.
Yeah, it's not open. It has leather seats. It's a really nice car. It's very affordable. We have really good prices. Go ahead and show them around the whole inventory. They're gonna love it.
This is going to be the inside the car. And this one, right here, it will be a Dutch. It will be a pretty Dutch. Let's go see if it's open. I don't think it's gonna be open, but okay. Oh, it is open. Inside the car. Yep, it's very nice. If we see it, there's a back. Smell like toes. I like it. And there's a secret thingy right here. Let's check it out. Oh, you don't want to see that. Okay, we put it back. Right here, you can check your phone and you can do like everything. Gonna close it. Let's get in the next car. This one is a Challenger. We have a lot of this. Check it out. Inside the car, let's see if it's open. Wait a second. Nope. This is the wheels. Oh. And now I'm gonna show you the classic Camaro red. I'm gonna show you the front. This is how the front of this car. I'm gonna show you this Camaro. Let's see if it's open, guys. I wish it is open. So, it's open. This is how it is. And if you see, we get inside the Camaro, and you're gonna say, "Oh my God, this smells delicious." No. This is gonna be. You're gonna say it was painted like that, but that's how it was. Okay. So this is the back of the car. This is the really cool Camaro. I like it. You have this to protect right here. So let's keep going. And here's the door. You pull the door. And you see here, this is the back. No scratches. All good for you. And here we got the Mustang. It's a really pretty Mustang, if you see it here. Oh, we have a freaking window. Let's go see if it's open. Oh, look. It is open. Let's check it out. This is us inside the car. Okay, let's check over here. We're gonna do a mustache. Let's check it out. like, okay, we're gonna go over here and you're gonna check these cars.